Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 16th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. In India, National Dengue Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 16th May. In India, the National Dengue Day is observed every year on 16th May. The day is an initiative by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to raise awareness about dengue and its preventive measures and preparedness for control of the vector-borne disease before the transmission season begins. Dengue is spread through the bite of the female mosquito, Aedes aegypti.
Question number 2. International Day of Light is observed every year on.
Answer is 16th May. The International Day of Light, IDL, is celebrated on 16th May each year to mark the anniversary of the first successful operation of the laser in 1960 by physicist and engineer Theodore Maman. Why is International Day of Light celebrated on 16th May? Because the first successful operation of laser was conducted on 16th May 1960 by physicist Theodore Maman.
Question number 3. International Day of Living Together in Peace is observed every year on.
Answer is 16th May. The International Day of Living Together in Peace is held on 16th May every year since 2018. The day aims to uphold the desire to live and act together, united in differences and diversity, in order to build a sustainable world of peace, solidarity and harmony. The United Nations General Assembly decided to celebrate 16th May as the International Day of Living Together in Peace on 8th December 2017.
Question number 4. Global Accessibility Awareness Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 3rd Thursday of May. Global Accessibility Awareness Day is observed every year on the 3rd Thursday of May to get people to think, talk and learn about digital accessibility and inclusion and more than 1 billion people with disability impairments. This year, Global Accessibility Awareness Day is being celebrated on 16th May 2024. The Awareness Day was launched in May 2012 by Los Angeles-based web developer Joe Devon.
Question number 5. A special commemorative 250 rupee coin released to celebrate the 250th foundation of.
Answer is Mazagon Dock. Defense Secretary Giridhar Armane released a commemorative 250 rupees coin on the occasion of the 250th anniversary of the foundation of Majgaon Dock Limited, MDL. The Defense Secretary was the chief guest of the function, which was organized by the Majgaon Dock Limited, MDL, in New Delhi on 14th May 2024 to mark the 250th anniversary of the MDL. The Majgaon Dock Limited started its journey as a dry dock in 1774.
Question number 6. Former Indian Army officer, Colonel Vaibhav Anil Kale was killed in.
Answer is Gaza. Former Indian Army officer, Colonel, retired. Vaibhav Anil Kale was killed in Gaza on 13th May, when the vehicle he was traveling in fell to strike in Rafah where Israeli forces had increased their attack. Vaibhav Anil Kale was presently employed with the United Nations as a staff member of the United Nations Department of Safety and Security, DSS, in Gaza. The death of Vaibhav Anil Kale marks the first international staff of the United Nations to be killed in Gaza.
Question number 7. The nation's biggest skill competition, India Skills 2024, was inaugurated in.
Answer is New Delhi. The four-day nation's biggest skill competition, India Skills 2024, commenced in New Delhi on 15th May 2024. The inaugural ceremony was held at Yashobhumi, Dwarka, New Delhi. The skilling competition will test students' skills across India in 61 categories from 15 to 18 May 2024 and offer youth a platform to showcase their talent at national and international levels. The India Skills competition is held every 2 years.
Question number 8. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit and Exhibition 2024 held?
Answer is Netherlands. The World Hydrogen Summit 2024 held in Rotterdam, Netherlands, from 13 to 15 May 2024. The summit was attended by 15,000 delegates from around the world. India has set up its maiden pavilion at the World Hydrogen Summit and Exhibition 2024. The pavilion was set up by the Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and it was inaugurated by the Secretary of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Bhupinder Singh Bhalla, on 12 May 2024.
Question number 9. India has announced $1 million humanitarian assistance to which flood-hit country?
Answer is Kenya. The Government of India has announced humanitarian assistance worth $1 million to the Government of Kenya to deal with the devastation caused by the floods in the country. More than 267 people in the country have been killed by the devastating flood, which has displaced more than 380,000 people in the country. The Republic of Kenya is a country in East Africa. It is famous for its scenic landscape and its wildlife. It gained independence from England in 1963.
Question number 10. Who has become the first bank to act as Trading Cum Clearing Member, TCM, of IIBX?
Answer is SBI. On 13th May 2024, India's largest public sector bank, State Bank of India, SBI, has announced that it has become the first bank in India to act as Trading Cum Clearing Member, TCM, at the India International Bullion Exchange IFSC Limited, IIBX, which is India's first international bullion exchange in Gift City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. This enables International Financial Services Centre, IFSC, Banking Unit, IBU, of SBI to conduct trades on the IIBX platform.
Question number 11. Who has launched India's first multi-allocation fund with dividend yield strategy?
Answer is Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv Asset Management Limited has launched the Bajaj Finserv Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, an open-ended investment scheme designed to offer investors a unique avenue to access multiple asset classes through a single investment. It is India's first multi-asset fund with a dividend yield strategy that aims to provide stability and growth by diversifying across asset classes.
Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director, MD, of IIFL Securities Limited?
Answer is Nemkumar H. IIFL Securities Limited, formerly known as India Infoline Limited, a leading financial services company, has appointed Nemkumar H. as its new Managing Director, MD, for a period of 5 years, with effect from 15th May 2024. He has succeeded R. Venkataraman, who served as Chairman and MD of the company. The company has also appointed Narendra Jain as whole-time Director for another 5-year term.
Question number 13. Who has emerged as the winner of the 2024 Superbet Poland Rapid and Blitz?
Answer is Magnus Carlsen. The 5-time world champion and world number 1 Magnus Carlsen emerged as the winner of the 2024 Superbet Poland Rapid and Blitz, a part of World Chess Tour that was held from 7th to 12th May 2024 in Warsaw, Poland. The Norwegian chess player Magnus Carlsen gained a total of 26 points to clinch the title. Wei of China clinched the second spot with 25.5 points.
Question number 14. Which Indian finished second at the Doha Diamond League 2024?
Answer is Neeraj Chopra. The Olympic and world champion javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra claimed the second spot in the Doha Diamond League 2024 that was held on 10th May 2024 at the Qatar Sports Club, Doha, Qatar. The three-time Olympian for Czech Republic Jakub Vardlejach claimed the top spot with 88.38 meters throw, while Neeraj Chopra missed the first spot by just 2 centimeters, 88.36 meters. Former world champion Anderson Peters of Grenada claimed third spot with an 86.62 meter throw.
Question number 15. A renowned anti-witch hunting crusader passed away at 75. Who was she?
Answer is Birubala Rabha. Padma Shri awardee Dr. Birubala Rabha, a renowned anti-witch hunting crusader, passed away at the age of 75 at Guwahati Medical College Hospital, Assam. She was born in 1954 in Golpara, Assam. She formed an organization, Mission Birubala, in 2012 to create awareness among people against the social evil and all forms of superstitious beliefs, which saved lives of 55 victims in Tinsukia districts.
Question number 16. Sushil Kumar Modi passed away at 72. He has served as the 4th Deputy Chief Minister of.
Answer is Bihar. Sushil Kumar Modi was an Indian politician from the Bharatiya Janata Party who was a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha from Bihar. He was served as the 4th Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar as well as the Finance Minister of Bihar from 2005 to 2013 and 2017 to 2020. He had earned the sobriquet Bhamasha from Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.
Question number 17. Chhattisgarh's first 15-megawatt floating solar plant will be set up by.
Answer is Bhilai Steel Plant. Bhilai Steel Plant, BSP, will install the state's first 15-megawatt floating solar project in its Maroda 1 reservoir. This initiative not only aims to generate approximately 34.26 million units of green power annually but also targets a substantial reduction in carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 28,330 tons, contributing to the promotion of renewable energy and environmental sustainability.
Question number 18. Where is the Senior Nationals Sailing Championship 2024 being organized?
Answer is Mumbai. The Senior National Sailing Championship 2024 is being organized at Mumbai Port. It is being organized by the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Centre, INWTC, Mumbai from 12 to 18 May 2024. Indian Navy Sailing Association, INSA, is also cooperating in this. 82 participants from 10 major sailing clubs across the country have registered for the event.
Question number 19. Who was awarded the Global Excellence Award 2024 for contribution to education?
Answer is Chandrakant Satija. Chandrakant Satija, a renowned educationist and the founder and CEO of Chandra Admission Consultants, was honored with the Global Excellence Award 2024 at a grand event held at Sahara Star Hotel in Mumbai on 12th May. The award was presented to him by the famous Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty Kundra. He was adjudged as the most trusted admissions consultant in Vidarbha region.
Question number 20. Which date has been declared as the World Football Day by United Nations?
Answer is 25th May. The 193-member United Nations General Assembly has passed a resolution on 7th May 2024 to observe 25th May every year as World Football Day. The resolution to mark 25th May of every year as World Football Day was introduced by Libya's ambassador to the United Nations Tahir El-Soni. On 25th May 1924 has organized the 1924 Paris Summer Olympics. This year the Summer Olympics is being held in Paris and 25th May 2024 will mark the 100th anniversary of the 1924 football event. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.